Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka Cot Admission nagamta ka Nursing but Paramedical Course. Ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka Buy Admission ka Badunatam. But she's pa percent ka Jingïakynad. Pila ru ban apply da ka Education Loan.
Ka ICA ka Pynsangeh ya ka laway jongpi. Nagabinta ka tuition but coaching ka babhatam ya pi. Yes no but ka ICA.
Foreign Secretary ke India Vikram Misri lo batai hagi dikhat jang ka Parliamentary Standing Committee on External Affairs halo ka Jingïakynad thma hakile no hapa helgam wala umishim na kran shakilat pathai ko bor pentip ik ek bagre kran hindikilat pathai ko bor le jingtip bo lo batai be ke ek balajia hapa helgam gede ga jinga sala lupa Hapdeng kile no baki mastermind jonki ke bana Pakistan Shushu kilat pathai ko buak layo jingtip ba umistri ulong bagi don ki saki sabut ki babiang ki bakakin huan tokit kalayo lum ko pen I bagi le no ki bele ye ki kampen trim ki ya la lut Pakistan lo batai ru bagadang gajinga trelang Hapdeng ki le no ki shipai bagi kat tu kat ni kinong sinshar Pakistan ban le ki kampen trim ha India umistri la kentat ru ye kajing kam jong President Donald Trump Budai mu Pynsangeh ke Jingïakynad Hapdeng ke India bat ke Pakistan ya ka bola tho link ka social media hande ke Jingïakynad Hapdeng ke India bat ke Pakistan bat omdan kesiang ka standing committee jong ke parliament ke de ke bala kli do MP ke Congress usashi tharor ke jing batai jong Misri chi dikhat jong committee ke de ru shua baki MP jong ke India kinle chabari banyatho shiki we pat kiri pa Pakistan ke de ke ri ke babe tingka ya kileno
We had a very comprehensive and rich discussion. As you can see, a meeting that normally would have finished by 6 o'clock has gone on till 7 o'clock. It was a very thorough, wide-ranging discussion. We had 21 members attending, in fact 23 members attending, which I think is a record, for this committee. The 24th one came also, TK. So the fact is that this was a very, very thorough discussion. Many of the MPs had thoughtful questions to ask. There was even a desire to have a resolution expressing solidarity with the Foreign Secretary in the face of the unwarranted attacks upon him. He himself requested there should be no resolution, but it was a unanimous sentiment of the committee that he has performed a good service for the nation and we all stand with him. And that was not a formal resolution, but it was definitely the wish of everyone. I also want to add that the committee has in many ways covered a lot of constructive ground and has left with satisfactory responses to various questions. I am not at liberty to enter into the substance of the questions. That is simply the standard policy of the committee. But I will say that we have had a good discussion and we are parting, as you can see, in very positive spirit.